Hello, carpet cleaning world. This is your administrator, Roger Lloyd. The two tools you need to be able to charge $5 to $7 per step very easily. First of all, you need a power drill with the drill attachment scrub brush. And then you need a standard upholstery tool. Brian here is going to demonstrate how we earn $5 to $7 per step. Here, Joey, take this steam tool out of Brian's way here. And Brian, let's show him how easily we do this.
You want to start up here? Or?
Yeah, that's fine. Nice, even agitation, loosening up all those edges, able to get underneath there. Look at that. Look at that. Are you kidding me right now? Do you know how the customers go crazy when they see this? There's no question. Look at that. You can do this too. You can buy one of these drill scrub heads right from eBay for about $9 to $10. I like the yellow bristle brush, but the shampoo brush is the white bristle brush. It's up to you. I like a little bit more power and a little bit more agitation. Go ahead, Brian, show them the next step. Let them see how that power is right on through. Just loosening up after we pre-treated this carpet. It's just loosening up. Look at that. You can charge $7 per step. They won't even think twice about it. Look at that. Alright, Brian, after you do that step, let's just show them the second portion so they can see how this step really is just going to look so clean there. Gotcha. Well, there you go. Look at that. Are you kidding me right now? $5 to $7 per step, guys and ladies. Because you can do it too. And this particular customer did mention about the dirty edges on his steps. So he'll really be able to appreciate this extra attention and agitation that he's getting. Now I know Andre Brown is the king of stairs, but you know what? I got a little something for you too. Good old Andre Brown. All right. Cleaning right up for you, right, Brian? Cleaning right up. Look at that. Water nice and hot. Just steaming that right on through. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I just wanted to show you the two tools that you can use that can get you $5 to $7 per step. It's up to you. It always was, and it always will be. What are you going to do about it is the question. Thank you, and until the next one, this is your boy, Roger Lloyd, from the carpet cleaning world. You take care now.